If you need to convert 680 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, here's how you can do that. So you need to remember that 1 atmosphere, that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. That's our conversion factor. So what we can do is we can take our 680 millimeters of mercury and we're going to multiply that by a conversion factor. So we said 1 atmosphere is 760 millimeters of mercury. We want millimeters of mercury to cancel out. So we're going to put the millimeters of mercury on the bottom. That means the atmosphere, which is what we're looking for, goes on the top. So here's our conversion factor. Now when we do the math, millimeters of mercury on the top and bottom, that cancels out, leaves us with atmospheres. That's what we want. And essentially what we're doing is 680 divided by 760. When we do the math, we get 0.8947. Let's just round it here to 0.895. That's it. When you convert 680 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, you get 0.895 atmospheres. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.